Hi, my name is Kyle Scoresby. I'm a divorce and family law attorney. This video is going to be about enforcement of court orders. Once you have a judgment or a decree entered, sometimes one of the spouses or one of the parties, I guess it would be an ex-spouse in the case of a divorce decree, does not comply with court orders. Let's use the example of child support, and this is very typical. You get a child support order. Let's say the father is ordered to pay $1,000 a month in child support. He pays for a few months and then he falls behind. What is the mom supposed to do to get the dad to pay the support? Well, she has to bring a separate court action against him under the same case number as the divorce case, but this time it's notifying the court that the father has failed to comply and asking the judge to order the father to comply and to compel him to comply. And there are some specific tools the judge has to force compliance. If the mother can prove, in our example, that the father knew about the court order, had the ability to comply, in other words, he had enough money to pay it, and specifically willfully chose not to comply with the support order, the judge can find that father in contempt of court. Contempt of court carries some threats. The judge can tell a person, hey, you're going to be in contempt, and until you pay $5,000 to catch up on your support, you're going to be in contempt. And the judge can make a further threat. The judge can order a person to jail. The judge can incarcerate a person in order to compel his compliance with the court order. So that's what we're always seeking when a father has willfully failed to comply with a child support order. In addition to that, judges will be inclined usually to order some attorney's fees. They may not order all of the attorney's fees that are incurred to force compliance, but they typically will enforce some. Other kinds of court orders that you can seek enforcement of would be non-compliance with debts, orders to pay debts, or orders to transfer property, but those orders are not enforceable by contempt. If you have questions about your case, whether you can enforce compliance with court orders, I hope you'll contact my office to schedule an appointment.